If you're in the market for a foldable phone, you've probably considered the Z Flip4 and Z Fold4. Which one, nevertheless, will serve you best?
Oh man, I can't just pick one.
If you're a gamer, you'll have a blast playing on the Fold4 7.6-inch screen. And if you're a photographer, you'll adore the Z Flip's FlexCam, which is like combining a camera and a tripod into one convenient device. So, would you like to flip it or fold it? I am sure after discussing the two devices, you will know which one to choose, so let's get right into it. Unboxing. Each folding smartphone comes with the same items: the USB Type-C to Type-C charging connection, the SIM ejection tool, and the user handbook are all included. As if it were a surprise, the lack of chargers in the packaging. Processor configuration. Both phones are powered by Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 4nm processors. The Galaxy Z Fold4 has a unified user interface, UI, based on Android 12L and optimized for the large folding screen. Using Flex Mode, a taskbar, shortcuts, and other multitasking capabilities, productivity may be increased. Hardware and software have been optimized for use with the S Pen stylus. We were able to test the pen and find that the Galaxy Z Fold4 screen was responsive in the Notes app. There are pencil writing noises to make taking notes seem more realistic. Just hearing the scribbling of a pencil on paper will make my inner kid want to draw. The Samsung Flip4 runs with Android 12 with Samsung's One UI. Except for the built-in camera app and a few suitable applications, the user experience is similar to that of other premium Galaxy S phones. Related to cameras, we will also discuss the technical features of each of them. Stay tuned for additional insight.
Good, there's more coming.
Design and display. Both bundles' next-gen successors have revised designs and updated hardware. High-quality aluminum rails are used in the construction of the Galaxy Z Flip4 and Z Fold4, and the hinge is smaller but stronger than previous models. The Galaxy Z Fold4's cover display and its back are both tempered by Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for maximum durability.
That is solid.
Both phones, says Samsung, have survived more than 200,000 folds and have been validated by the Bureau Veritas. Their IPX rating implies that they can withstand immersion in water of up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes without being damaged. When compared to the 2021 series of smartphones, both of them feature rounded corners and narrower side bezels. The Galaxy Z Fold4 7.6-inch QXGA+ dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flex display supports a 21.6 to 18 aspect ratio, 1300 nits of peak brightness, and a refresh rate of anywhere between 1 and 120 frames per second. The front panel has a 6.2-inch HD+ dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a 23.1 to 9 aspect ratio. Gray screen, phantom black, beige, and burgundy are the four color options for the Galaxy Z Fold4. The Galaxy Z Flip4, on the other hand, has a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 260 by 512p. It is quick and responsive. The refresh rate of its 6.7-inch Full HD+ dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity Flex display is adjustable. The folding design makes the screen taller, yet it is still easy to transport. When opposed to the usual 16:9 to 20:9 aspect ratio of most smartphones, the Galaxy Z Flip4's ratio is 22:9. In any event, let's just say that we will have an in-depth analysis on each of these phones, and there will undoubtedly be more to come on these gadgets. So, subscribe today to make sure you don't miss a thing. Camera. For the Z Fold4, Samsung enhanced the under-display camera. The new model seems to be an improvement over the previous one, since the photographs it creates are much sharper. The Z Fold4 incorporates a 4-megapixel camera inside the display, making it ideal for snapping selfies. The Z Fold4 has a main camera with 12 megapixels, an ultra-wide camera with 50 megapixels, and a telephoto camera with 10 megapixels. Together, they are capable of recording at 8K at 24 frames per second. Both the wide-angle f1.8 lens and the ultra-wide-angle f2.2 lens is located on the rear of the Z Flip4, making it a dual-camera device like the Z Flip 3. The Z Flip4's front shooter is 10 megapixels strong and has an f2.4 aperture. The FlexCam function of the Z Flip4 enables you to capture photos and record video without touching the device. So for instance, it's feasible to take shots of yourself and your pals without bothering anyone else to take pictures by propping the camera up on a table. The preview mode allows you to practice snapping selfies by double-clicking the power button while the flip is closed. While in camcorder mode, the upper display is used as a viewfinder, while its lower display, which is slanted to one side, is used as the interface, the equivalent of a video camera with a camcorder. Gaming. The Z Fold 4's massive display makes it a good choice for gamers with big hands or love to play on a big screen. Individuals with tiny hands might choose Flip4. The Flip4 stays delightfully cool even after an hour of use. Powerful enough for local gaming but not online. If you've got a high-end flip phone and you want to know all it can do, you're in for an exciting ride. On the other hand, a premium game like Lost Ark may not be the best choice for a mobile device's display. Then, regarding games, how long does the battery last on each foldable? For more on that, stay tuned. Pocket-sized. Per Samsung, small but mighty when folded, Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a compact full-size smartphone and just the right size to slip in a pocket when it's time to slay. If you fold it up, it becomes quite small and may easily be hidden in a pocket. What about the Z Fold 4? Yes, somewhat. When the phone's hinges is closed, it's a solid 15.8mm thick and protrudes uncomfortably from your pocket. While bigger pockets like those found in a handbag or jacket are ideal for devices like the Z Fold 4, smaller pockets like those found in a pair of trousers are better suited to the Z Flip 4. Battery. The Fold 4's battery life is long enough to go through a whole workday's worth of using the device for things like checking mail, surfing the web, watching videos, and making use of its excellent camera. Its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, had a shorter battery life compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung's new light performance mode might help extend the Z Fold 4's battery life. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 features a 3,595 mAh battery for a combined capacity of almost 3,700 mAh. This is a boost of 400 mAh compared to the last model. Since Samsung has improved these phones' battery life, you will be able to get more done throughout the day. The camera features on these phones are our favorite part of using them. It would not be surprising, however, if the release of the Galaxy S23 Ultra the following year dampens demand for such smartphones. The S23 Ultra's soon-to-be-released camera sensors will likely make it more popular than Samsung's foldable and the iPhone 14 Pro. For additional information on the many camera enhancements made possible by the new chipset, click on the next video.